To turn off sensitive content filtering on X so you can see more posts, follow this simple step. First, open the X app or go to a website and log into your account. Then go to profile icon and tap on settings and privacy. Inside settings, look for the section called privacy and safety. Next, tap on content you see. Here you will find search settings. Click search settings. You will see an option called hide sensitive content. Turn off this off so that sensitive post can also appear in your search result. That's it. Now your account will show more content that was previously hidden. Keep in mind, sensitive content may include violence or adult material. If you ever feel uncomfortable, you can always turn the settings back off using the same step. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.